Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these pretty plaid pumpkin nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to start off with is Light Elegance's She's a Copper Catch. This one is a brighter orange shade. I was going to use Curry On, which is a beautiful burnt orange shade, but because I wanted to put the brown and red stripes in the plaid, that one was too dark, so I feel like this one ended up being a perfect pumpkin color. I paint this on my ring finger and my thumb. And the next color we're going to use is Alato Gelato, a nice nude shade. And I'm going to paint this one on my middle finger. This is going to be the background for the pumpkin. Next, I'm going in with Light Elegance's Thunderstruck, which is a really pretty coppery glitter. This was from last year's fall collection. And I'm going to paint this on my pinky and my pointer finger. And I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of the colors. And when this video is posted, it's going to be almost October, so I'm going to start doing some Halloween nails coming up. If you guys have any recommendations for some Halloween nails you'd like to see, leave them in the comments down below. And before I cure the last coat of Thunderstruck, I'm going to take this loose glitter from Glitter Boutique Canada. This is called Pumpkin Spice. It is a copper holographic glitter. Definitely looks like pumpkin spice. And so I'm going to drop some of this loose glitter into the wet gel. And now I'm going to go in with the rest of the design, starting with the plaid. I do take the tacky layer off the nails, and I'm going to use Madame Glam's Amour, which is just a neutral red shade. And I'm going to be using my Robin Moses wand brush, and I use the red shade to apply some longer stripes down the nail, as well as one across the nail. Next I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Perfect White, and I'm going to create some dashed lines going down the nail the opposite side of the red line I created, and then I'm also going to do a white line going across the nail. Now I'm going in with Kira Sky's Frosted Pomegranate. This color is beautiful. It's this brownish reddish glitter. So pretty, perfect for fall. I'm going to take this one and create a long stripe next to the dashed lines that I created. And keep in mind that I am flash curing in between each color. Here I switched back to a more and add some more red lines. Now we're going to move on to the pumpkin nail. So I'm going to use Madame Glam's Suns Out, which is a bright orange shade. And this orange is a little too bright to do the pumpkin in. So I mix in some Perfect White to help make the shade more opaque, because this one is pretty transparent. And I also mix in a more, and I might have done a dash of black, I can't remember. But I mix it together till I get a color similar to She's a Copper Catch, and I draw the pumpkin with this color. And the reason that I'm doing the design in the Madame Glam gels versus the Light Elegance gel, it would have been much simpler just to use the same gel I had, but Light Elegance is a hard gel, so it's much thicker, and I find it's a little more difficult to do art with those gels, and it also leaves the nail thicker. So I'd rather mix my own color to match them and use the Madame Glam gels to do art. And here's where I'm adding in Madame Glam's Perfect Black to that same orange that I had already created, and I'm making this deeper reddish brown color. I'm going to do the lines on the pumpkin as well as a little curly Q coming off. Now I'm taking Madame Glam's Lonely Boy, which is a dark green color. This one's a little bit transparent, so I add a little bit of that Perfect Black in there just to help make it opaque, and I draw on the stem of the pumpkin. Now I'm going to go in with Young Nails Flex Gel, and I'm just going to encapsulate that loose glitter that we had applied on the glitter nails. And here you can see I'm just reshaping and filing the nails with the glitter on them just to make sure everything's nice and smooth and that the shaping is as good as the other ones. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And here's how the nails came out. They are so cute, if I do say so myself. I am so glad I went with the brighter orange versus the darker orange. And this is a perfect like beginning of fall where it's not too dark, but you still got the plaid and the pumpkin spice. It just, I loved how these nails came out. Definitely one of my favorite fall sets I have ever done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe for more nail art. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!